So I had this idea to use electrical tape on the tyres to obviously take a lot of the grip away. So here we go, this is me putting it on the rear tyres. I just did it on the rears for now to see how it would handle. The audio of the video was absolutely awful due to the wind, so you just have to put up with the music and me. Look how difficult it was to drive with just the rears taped. Obviously you've got the grip at the front and not at the rear, so it just wants to spin constantly. However, what happens if you put it on all four? Make sure you start off carefully and do about 4 times around, and make sure the ends are finished off quite well, because obviously that will end up picking up all the dirt and rubbish. Let's be honest, this is a very cheap mod. Anybody can do it. And look at the fun you can have! Oh my god, that was so much fun. I seriously believe about 99% of you are going to have electrical tape in your house.